nothing but f of 3t minus f of, this is the formula actually in the last class we have already discussed. Sorry, not formula, construction. So this one, h of t minus 5. So this is the part for the first part, second part, and this is the form for the second part, third part. So if we, this is the form. Okay. So this one. Now, right, second part actually have this unit step function in the form of t minus 3. So what is our first target? This part, coefficient part of h of t minus 3. That function in terms of t it is there. You have to write either t minus 3 factorial form, sorry, factor form, or only constant. So what we actually did, just see, minus 2t square plus 4 plus t, that is the form. So minus common 2t square minus t minus 4. Okay, so now I will remove this minus. Okay, so this is the final form. So minus, you can take them. So this one, how can you write this one in terms of t minus 3? So 2 should be common, t square minus t minus 3, t square you can find. So that means 2 into 3 minus, so minus minus plus 3 square. Okay, so what you have written extra, that one, sorry, t I have missed, 2 into t into 3. Correct. Next one is, okay, so what is the next one? Next one is, you have to check what are the extra you have written. 2t square is correct, but 2 into 2, minus 4t3, sorry, minus 4, 3 into 2, 6t into 2. So actually you have written 12t extra. Correct. So 12t extra means you have to add, okay, 12, sorry, 11t. Now you just see minus t is there. Correct. Here it is 2 into 3, so 6t into 2, so 12t, but you have only minus t, so 11 plus 11t. Now 3 square means 9, 9 into 2, so 9 into 18, but you have only minus 5, sorry, minus 4. So what you have to do then? So what is the answer? Minus, what is the answer? What you have to do then? Minus, how much? You have to write 3 form. Okay, na? So t minus 3. So you have to do no other multiplication of 3. So 3, 33. So now you just see 9 into 20, 18 plus minus 33. But you should have only minus 4. Correct. So so this one, the calculation. So if you check it, extra is how much is it? It is extra. So I think the extra is 18 plus 37. 37 is the answer. Here it is minus 37 should be there, but here it is 18 only there. So it should be like 11. Huh? No, what I have written, minus 4, 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus minus 33. Oh. Minus 33. You should have minus 33. You should have minus 4 only. So 22. 18 plus 4, 22. So minus 11. So minus 11 or plus 11? I think plus 11, correct? So plus 11. So this is the middle part. Okay, 2 into t minus 3 whole square. Okay. Sorry. 2 into 3t minus 3 whole square. Okay, minus plus 11 t minus 3. Okay, plus 11. So that one actually is the middle part. So and last part is already t minus t, sorry, minus t plus 5 already there. So f of t. So f of t equals to, we can write like that, 2t square h of t minus 2 into, sorry, minus 2 into t minus 3 whole square plus 11 t minus 3, okay, plus 11, this one h of t minus 3. Last one is minus t minus 5. No need to do any factorization here, already is there. H of t minus 5, same. If it is not there, then you have to do like that only. So either constant only or else t minus 3 factor form for this h of t minus 3. Okay. So that is the format of that second shift theorem, SST. Okay. So now we will take Laplace transform of both sides. Okay. Taking Laplace transform of both sides, we get what we will get both sides. Laplace transform of f of t. That is our target to find the Laplace transform. So Laplace transform of 2t square h of t. Okay. Minus. Okay. 2 into Laplace transform of t minus 3 whole square h of t minus 3, that is for this first part. Now second part again minus 11, okay, Laplace transform of t minus 3 into h of t minus 3. For the third one, again it is plus and minus, so minus 11 Laplace transform of, okay, 1 into h of t minus 3. Okay, so this is, and the final one is this one. Okay, so minus Laplace transform of t minus 5 into h of t minus 5 into h of t minus 5. So this one, correct. So we have, we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Laplace transforms. Okay, so that 5 Laplace transform you have to find. So first one is 2 outside Laplace transform of, I will not write here itself, I will write. So Laplace transform of, okay, Laplace transform of this one. Okay, so this is the case. Now this one, okay, what is the Laplace transform? What is this answer? T square into h of t. You have already studied. So what is the answer? T square into h of t. What is the answer? So the answer is 2 into, okay,
2 by s cube.
2 by s cube. Okay, 2 by s cube minus Laplace transform of t minus 3 whole square into h of t minus 3. Should I go back? Okay, previous. What is that? T minus 3 whole square. Okay, and then h of t minus 3. Correct. So what will be the answer? Just
e power minus 3s into 2 by s cube,
into capital, Laplace transform of t square, correct? Sorry, t minus 3 whole square, correct? F of t is there, then otherwise f of t square, and then t replaced by, that is also correct, no problem. So I will go next. So what is the answer? 2 into, I will
2
write
into
here,
e power minus 3s
e power minus 3s
into
Laplace transform of, correct,
yes, 2 by s cube
minus 11 e to the power minus 3s into Laplace transform of what? For the second, for this one, correct? No square is there, so only t. The final one, this one, no, second last. What is that one? So minus 11 e to the power e to the power, what is the answer? E to the power minus 3s. Okay, e to the power minus 3s into Laplace transform of 1. Okay, minus final one. Okay, e to the power minus 5s into Laplace transform of need answer Laplace transform of for final one, this one
T.
correct. Okay, so now I will erase some part and then I will write directly here itself. So now I will erase this one. Okay, now this one. Okay, so step 1 by 1. 2 into 2 by s cube, so 4 by s cube. Next one is minus 2 into e to the power minus 3s Laplace transform of t square. What is the answer? So Laplace transform of t square. Standard one.
2 by s cubes.
2 by s cube. Next one is minus 11 e to the power minus 3s into Laplace transform of
1 by
t.
s.
1 by s. 1 by
Yes, sir.
yes.
S square, sir.
S square.
S square, S square. Yeah.
And then this one, another 2 term is there, minus 11. Okay, I can write here, it is minus 11 e to the power minus 3s into Laplace transform of 1.
This is 1 by s, sir.
1 by s, correct. And now final one is minus e to the power minus 5s, correct, 5s into
1 by s square.
1 by 5s into Laplace transform of t, that means 1 by s. So this is the answer. If you just simplify it, you can write the Laplace, sorry, it is Laplace transform. Laplace transform of this one is the given function 4 by s cube minus e to the power minus 3s is common. Okay, so 4 by s cube minus plus 11 2 also I have not given, so 11 not 22 s square plus 22 s, correct, this one, and then the final one is there, last term is, what is the last term? Okay, what is the last term I will write. So last term for this part, okay, Laplace transform of this one. Okay, Laplace transform of this one. Okay, so that is minus e to the power minus 5s by s square, correct now? This is the Laplace transform of the given function. Okay, so now note down some problem. Okay, for practice.
Sir, the 22 how, sir?
Which one, right? 2. Okay, 2 is not multiply with everyone. Okay, sorry. I thought this one 2 is for everyone. Okay, not 1. So what is the answer? 11, na? Good, you are following them at least. Correct. So the answer is this one, 4 by s cube minus e to the power minus 3s, okay, by s cube, correct. So 11 s square plus 11s plus 4, correct, minus e to the power minus 5s by s square. This is the Laplace transform of the given function. I will give you, okay, write down.
Yes, okay. Got like that.
Yeah, I'll go. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I got like same answer.
Same answer.
Yeah, almost same answer. I think I missed one part. Other than I got the same.
Okay. But you have not used that second shifting theorem, second shift theorem, or you have used?
I use second shifting theory, sir.
Okay, good. So now I will give you 3 problems for practice purpose only. Okay, no need to send. So now, number 1. Okay, first find the unit step function form, okay, of the following function, okay, and then find the Laplace transform, okay, of the Laplace transform. First problem, okay, f of t, okay, t if t greater than equals to 0, less than 1, 0 if t greater than 1. Okay, f of t, second function, second problem. Okay, t 3t square. Okay, if t greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 4. Okay, 2t minus 3, 2t minus 3 if t greater than 4, less than equals to 6, and 0 if t greater than 6. Okay, so this one, third one, problem 3, f of t equals to, I will discuss just later. Okay, t if, okay, t greater than equals to 0, less than 1, 2 minus t if t greater than 1, okay, less than 2, and 0 if t greater than 2. This one, yeah, these 3 problems. In addition to that, all these 3, okay, I have one doubt. Okay, I'll just tell you. You can answer if you are able to answer. Okay, now. So say the problem 3 or problem 2, anything, anyone. Instead of 0, last line, if I write 5 or 6 or 7, can you solve or not? I mean, so can you write in the form of USF or not? Unit step function. I repeat. Okay, now this is unit step function F. So
Yes.
first you have to write USF, unit step function form, and then you have. My question is, can I write instead of 0, 5 or 6 or 7, any constant value? So
like in second point, we should take t greater than or equal to 6, or like for example, constant should be greater than 6.
greater than 6.
Yes, sir.
No, you are telling about problem 3 or problem 2?
2, sir. In problem 2, the constant if we take must be greater than 6.
Must be greater than
6.
6. Or if it is less than 6, it is not possible. Okay.
Oh,
Just
yeah, it is possible, sir.
okay. I will. This is not a problem. Okay, this is for your. Okay, next time you can answer it. Is it possible if I write instead of 0? These are the problem 3. Now additional discussion. Okay, now. So this one is if last one, any one of these 3 or second and third. So last one, okay. last one, that means this one or this one. Okay. If I write, say, 5 or 6, anything, if, okay, if t greater than 2 or 6, anything, t greater than whatever it is there, okay. So means here it is say 5, here also say 5, or you can put any value, that is your choice. Okay, this one, instead of 0, something else, and then what will be the function, the form of the function, not this function. I am telling about USF, unit step function form. Okay, that is left for you, but that is all are additional. I have given only 3 problems for you. Okay, na, for practice purpose, for homework. Okay, so all these are additional one. Okay, so now I will go to the next one for, okay, next one is inverse. How to find the inverse? Okay, inverse, how to find the inverse, that one. So now, okay, inverse, okay, you don't have, I think this is the last class for today, na? You have any class after that? Huh?
This is the last
Oh,
class.
very good, very good. So I will test something. Okay, na? I will give one a problem for you. So this is the best option. Okay, na? So inverse of Laplace transform using, what is SST? Sorry?
Second system theorem.
Second system theory. Okay, good. Second system properties. Okay, good. So that theorem you already know that. So once again, I am writing here for note. Okay, so you know that Laplace inverse transform. Okay, sorry. Laplace inverse transform of, what is that? I will not write that one. First, I will write Laplace transform of, okay, f of t minus a, okay, h of t minus a, that is e to the power minus as, okay, f of s. That one you know that. Okay, we have already discussed this. And sometimes actually what we are writing, so that one more part we have already discussed, Laplace transform, inverse transform of, okay, e to the power minus as into capital F of s. Okay, so that one is f of t into h of t. Okay, this one also we can write f of t. This one also we can write f of t. Sorry. So if we take the Laplace inverse transform, so now I will take the Laplace inverse transform of this one. Okay, inverse transform of e to the power minus as capital F of s equals to f of t minus a into h of t minus a. Since left hand side is the function of s and right hand side is the function of t. Okay, so what we will do actually, we will write f of t and h of t. Okay, when t replaced by t minus a, that one, nothing else. Okay, so then only you can write f of t minus. So what is our target? First target is, so now if you go back from here, just see from here, if we go back, okay, from where? No, just wait. Here, from here we will go back to this place and also this place. Okay, so that connection we can do. Okay, this part. How to do this one? I will consider one problem and then we will discuss. Okay, so this part you know, and second part already started earlier. So now I will go to the next page and I will consider one problem. Find, okay, find inverse Laplace transform of 4 e to the power minus 4s divided by, okay, s into s plus 2. So denominator, from the denominator you can guess what will be the answer. Okay, what should be the answer? s into s plus 2. This is the capital F of s. So what is the capital F of s? It is not a capital F of s. So if we write capital F of s, then you have to use that factorization process and so on, so on. It will take a lot of time. Since e to the power minus 4. Since you know the second shift theorem, applying that one, you can find this one. Okay, so you have to apply this SST to find this inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so the solution, how to do this solution, how to find this solution, the given problem, okay, can be written, okay, in which form can be written as C what so this is our target. So so this is, if you consider this is F of s, then a problem, okay, but it will be given like that. Then you have to check one more function. I will discuss this one, s into s plus 2. This is our ultimate target, correct? So now we have to write in the form of, okay, SST. So e to the power minus 4s into 4 by s into s plus 2. Okay, based on this one, okay, now you understood what is this one. If you compare with SST, that is capital F of s now, not this one. If you choose this one, it's a problem. So e to the power minus as into capital F of s. So now your target is, we can write this one, okay. So solution, Laplace inverse e to the power minus 4s into capital F of s. So this one, not this one, don't do that one. You can say g of s or something, okay, for your simplicity, or otherwise no need to consider. So here, so if you write like that, then you have to write where capital F of s is 4 divided by s into s plus 2, correct? So this is the so now the given problem, actually you have written in the form of SST, correct, second shift theorem. Okay, so you can use now second shift theorem, correct? So before that one, actually you have to find the inverse transform of this capital F of s, correct? Then only you can apply that one. So now just see, go to the next page. We have to go, no other option. Okay, to use SST, second shift theorem, okay, what we have to do now? First obtain, what we have to find, first obtain the inverse of what? Inverse transform, okay, inverse transform of small f of t. Okay, that is, what is the f of t? It is given that, sorry, transform of f of t, it is given that capital F of s. For our case, capital F of s here, for this case, okay, here capital F of s, what is that? Now 4 divided by s into s plus 2. Okay, so that is already there. So this is our case. Our case is f of capital F of s is nothing but 4 by s into s plus 2. Clear? So now our first target to find the inverse Laplace transform of this one. Okay, so for that, next page you have to go this one. So it is very simple, this one, to find a and b, correct? So a by s plus b by s plus 2, already you have studied that this one. So 2 by s minus 2 by s plus 2, correct or not? Okay, s into s plus 2, 2 into s plus 2 minus 2 into s. Just take twice s plus 4 minus twice s, so 4. So it's correct. So now this Laplace transform, inverse transform, we have to find. So capital F of s is this one. So inverse Laplace transform of capital F of s. These are the steps. Okay, now one by one. Okay, so we know the linearity condition. So 2 by s. Okay, minus Laplace transform, inverse transform of 2 by s plus 2. What is the answer? 2 by s. What is the, whose Laplace transform is 2 by s? The function f of t. Huh?
2, sir.
2t or 2?
2, sir.
2.
Okay, so that is 2 only. What is the Laplace transform? Whose function Laplace transform is 2 by s plus 2?
2 into e power minus 2t.
Okay, so minus, that is 2 into e to the power minus, e to the power what? Minus
2.
twice t, this one. Okay, so now this function Laplace, inverse Laplace transform is known to you. So this is the, actually you know that one, correct? I am now making box, correct? So what is this one? So I will make a little bit bigger box. Why? Sorry. So this is the box. Actually now we know the inverse Laplace transform of capital F of s. That means inverse Laplace transform of 4 by s into s plus 2. That inverse Laplace transform already know. 2 minus 2 into e to the power minus twice t. We will not do any arithmetic operation over here. Let it be like that only. So now I will go back to the previous one. So now you understood what actually we have. So we know the f of s. Now Laplace inverse transform of f of s is known to us, but it is multiplied with e to the power minus 4. This, if it is not there underlying e to the power minus 4s, so then it is easy for us. What is the Laplace transform, inverse transform of this capital F of s? But it is multiplied with e to the power minus 4s. Correct. So this Laplace transform is known to us. This one is multiplied. Okay, one. So now I will write the next one like that. So now our final form. Okay, now what is the final solution? So now inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus 4s, correct, into 4 by, okay, s into s plus 2. This one I will write once again. Okay, so that is Laplace inverse transform of e to the power minus 4s, okay, into capital F of s. It is repeating, same. So now you tell me, what is this? What is the answer of this this underlined one? Using SST. Using SST, second shift theorem. F of something into h of something. What is that? You can refer your second shift theorem if it is, if you have
T minus 4.
T minus
2 minus 4, T minus 4.
4.
into h into
T minus 4.
T minus 4.
correct. This one is correct. But what is f of t minus 4? Correct. So earlier slide we have f
Like
of
without
t.
one thing, sir.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
I will go to the previous one. Correct. What is f? This is actually f of t. Correct. F of t. That is Laplace inverse transform of capital F of s. So this one is the f of t. Correct now. From the definition, just see I am writing equals to this one. So 2 minus. So what is 2 minus e to the 2 in 2 minus 2 into e to the power minus twice t. That is f of t. Correct. So we'll go to the next one. So where? Okay, where? F of t equals to 2 minus. So this part I will erase it. Okay. So 2 minus 2 into e to the power minus twice t. Correct. This one we know. But our answer is not f of t. Our answer is f of t minus 4. So that this one actually, what will be the answer? Now 2 minus 2 into e to the power I have written correct or not? 2
Correct, sir.
twice t minus twice t. This one t replaced by
T
T
minus
minus
4.
4.
t minus 4. Very good. So that one actually we have already discussed earlier. So h of t minus 4. So now if I simplify here, so answer is 2 minus 2 into e to the power minus 2 into t minus 4. Okay, this bracket close, h of t minus 4 into h of, sorry, into h of t minus 4. Correct. This one. Just 1 minute better. Yes, sir. Yeah, tell me, sir. No, no, office superintendent I have not done, sir. I think that is Madam, Kopurandami Madam. Yes, sir. Sure, sure. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you have to simplify it. Okay, so can you tell me if means the functional form of this one? 2 into, I will write again, then we will write the functional form. 2 into, sorry, 2 minus 2 into e to the power minus twice t minus 4. This one already you know, already is there. Okay, so third bracket, let us see, product, multiplication. Okay, now h of t minus 4. Just tell me the functional form. That means function form, not with heavy unit step function, not unit step function, just directly function. So I will write something, you know, this question mark, if t, okay, less than 4, why it is not found? T less than 4 and a question, double question mark, okay now, if t greater than equals to 4. What is the first question mark?
2.
Question
First
2.
thing is 2, sir. First question.
First
First
thing
one is
is
2, sir.
2. Okay. Second one is
2 e to the power minus
2 e power
2
minus
t
2
minus
into t
4.
minus 4.
okay. So second one, the answer is, I will just, I have to erase, otherwise I can't write in this small part. Okay. So your answer here it is 2. I got both the answer. 2. Here it is 2 in minus 2 into e to the power minus 2 into t minus 4. Okay. Is it correct or not?
Sir, only 1 2 will come.
Only?
Yes, sir,
In
sir,
this,
only 1 2, sir. The 2 minus won't come.
only 2 e to the power minus 2 t minus 4 will become.
Okay. Then which one is means where I have to change? Can you tell me that one?
First
In
term
the
has to be
second one,
removed, sir.
Which one?
In
t
t
greater
greater
than
than or
4.
equal to 4, first term has to be removed.
Okay. I have a doubt. Is it? Are you sure? These are.
Sir, t less than 4, 2 should be cancelled, sir. 0 should be there.
You are telling this one 0.
Yes, sir. Because
And-
there is no ht, sir.
Okay. Second part.
Second part should be same, sir.
Okay. What about the other, sir?
Sir, in the second part, that 2 minus of 2 e power minus 2 whole power t power, I mean t minus 4 we wrote, sir. In that 2 minus shouldn't be there, sir. Only that right part should be there.
2 e to the power minus t minus 4 should be there.
Are you sure?
Sir,
Yes,
first
sir.
part 0, sir. Second part multiplied by minus.
Yes, sir. Because there is no h of t, no, sir.
No, h of t is there, na, here. H of capital H
H
of
of t
t.
minus 4 there, sir. H of t not there.
Okay. Now I will give you f of t into h of t minus 4. Okay. What is the answer? then only I will write. What is the answer?
So it will be f of t if t is greater than or equal to 4, sir.
Okay, if t of greater than equals to 4 and the other part
Just 0.
otherwise, correct now?
Yes, sir.
But why then here you are writing 2 minus and you are writing 2 minus 2 2, then what is that? What is this one? This one is f of t and h of t minus 4. You are actually, now I understood, you are confusing with this one, correct? This one. This is the theorem. This is not the definition of the function, Heaviside function. This is, I understood. Now I understood. Okay, now.
Oh, okay, sir. Now I got it, sir.
This one is the actually second shift theorem, not the definition of Heaviside function. F of t into h of t minus a or t minus 4. Correct now. So that is f of t, okay, t greater than equals to 4, 0 otherwise. Or else if it is, now I will give you more clear concept. Okay, so correct, f of t minus 4. Tell me the answer. So it will be t minus 4. So not like that. This one is the theorem of Laplace transform. This one, there is no relation between this function and the Laplace transform. Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay, the answer is actually, okay, f of, it is not, okay, f of t minus 4. Whatever the function, sorry, whatever the function here, it is actually, if it is, sorry, this side, okay, if it is f of t minus 4 or f of t or f of t square, whatever may be, should be like that. So that one actually I understood. That's why so people are confused. Correct now. So now it is clear, I think so. Okay. This inverse transform you have already used. Okay. Second shift theorem here. Now after that you got this answer. That is the answer for the, but we should not write only this form. Okay. So now you have to use USF, unit step function, to define the function. So this is nothing but the 0. It should be 0, correct? So the answer is here, it is 0 if t less than 4 and 2 minus, that is f of t, 2 minus 2 into e to the power minus 2i into t minus 4 if t greater than equals to 4. Any doubt? Clear or not? You should not means actually confused, okay, with using, okay, this theorem, use of this theorem SST or this properties and unit step function. Two are different. Okay, you can find the Laplace transform of this one using this theorem. Okay, but not, there is no relation between these two. Okay, so now final form I will write. Okay, now so final form is this one, Laplace inverse transform of this function, that is our problem. Okay, now is this one. Okay, this one. So inverse Laplace transform of this one is nothing, we will write here this one, 2 minus 2 e to the power minus 2 into t minus 4 if t greater than equals to 4, 0 otherwise. This is, write down. Okay, you don't have any class now. Don't know how many are there. I just want to check how many are there. Okay, 39, 40 are there. Good. So now you should have pen and paper. Okay, now you have to submit. Don't immediately. Okay, I will give you 3 problems. Okay, your roll number divisible by 3 and the remainder. So remainder is 0 means you have to consider this answer. Okay, if remainder is 1, this problem. Okay, and remainder is 2, this problem. Just choose your problem and you solve it immediately. You send to me. Simple one. Use second shift theorem to find the inverse Laplace transform, ILT. Okay, first one, e to the power minus 5s. You have only 5 minutes time. Okay, na? Sorry. So s minus 2 power 4. Okay, your roll number divisible by 3, remainder is 1. Answer, sorry, you have to consider this problem. S plus 1 divided by, okay, s square plus 1 e to the power minus s. Your roll number divisible by 3. Okay, sure. If you divide your roll number by 3, the remainder is 2. You have to consider this problem. Okay, na? Next one. You can start. You have to show your notebook only. No need to send. Okay, immediately. Okay, all calculations should be in that page itself. Okay. So now final one. Okay. S by s square plus 25 into e to the power minus 4 pi s divided by 5. This one.
Sir, what is it, sir? S by s square plus 2s, sir?
No, 25. This one, na? Last one.
25. Yes, sir.
25. Okay. Okay. 5 square. You note down all the problems for practice, but now you consider only one. That is actually your roll number. Okay. Use 3 to divide that one, and the remainder is 0. First one, remainder is 1. Second one, remainder is 2. Last one. So that's why 0, 1, 2. The Wednesday class is good. Why? Don't have any restriction. So now I will close this this presentation. Okay, na? But I will be there. Okay. That means this screen only. That board, white board, I will close. It's okay. You have written all the problems. 0, 1, 2. People should write all the 0, 1, 2, but only choose only one. Which one is actually defined for you? 0, 1, 2. Divisible by, divide your roll number by 3. I'm going to check my desktop only. Which come first? Go first. But that is not exam. Okay, na? So I will wait for 10 minutes only. So within 10 minutes, those are able to complete that one only. I will check. Otherwise, I will not check. Okay. It's not an exam. Okay, just for your involvement. You are there or not to check all these things. Unmute yourself. Okay, so that notebook only. Okay. Unmute your video also.
Sir, done.
Show me your paper, bhai.
Yes,
Roll
sir.
number 62. Quick.
Oh no, why is my camera not switching on? Oh no. Sir, this one filter, sir. I have to remove it 1 second, sir.
Oh, better. I want to see only, not you means only that page where you have done.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Ah,
Just check it, okay? Na? Wait.
yes, sir. Face is coming, sir.
62, huh? But don't do directly. Every step I have written like that you should do. Okay, next time it's okay.
Okay, sir. Like what, sir? Like
Yeah.
I can say by second shift theory,
Yeah.
we are doing this.
Okay. You can close your video, everything. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
can leave the meeting. 62.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next. What people are not doing this should do immediately if you are following the classes.
Sir, can you show the question once again?
Once again, better. Yep, I have. Okay, I will show you. But it will take time. Let me just 1 minute to open that board. So, yeah, finished. Okay. Show me. Roll number
11, sir.
11. The paper should be little bit close. Up. Okay, you can leave the meeting. 11.
Sir,
Next.
27.
Show me the-
27.
Yeah. Show me the notebook. A little bit close, ma. Okay, now it is clear. Okay. You can leave the meeting.
Sir, roll number 2, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, roll number 32 over.
Roll number 2. Left side, little bit. Left. No, not. Means I want to see the right hand side only. Yeah. T greater than 5/2, na? Or 5/2. What you have written?
4 pi by 5, sir.
4 5/5. Okay. You can leave the meeting too.
Sir, roll number
Sir,
59.
20.
Just show your notebook. That's all. Okay. Roll number 20. It is well visible. Okay. Roll number 20. Which problem you have considered actually?
Last one, sir.
2 1. Okay. Okay. 20. You can leave the meeting. Next, 59. Bhai, you don't. Just slowly you up it. Yeah. Up. Up. Yeah. Wait. Next page.
Visible, sir?
No, left one only. You are showing right hand, that empty one. Okay. Na? Yeah. Go down. Wait. Up, little bit up, better. Yes, 59. You can leave the meeting now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
2
Roll
more
number
minutes.
32.
Okay. Within 2 minutes. Okay. 32. Correct.
Yes, sir.
But it is too far. Okay. Bring little bit close to that. Yeah. Or little bit. Yes. Now it is. Yeah. Okay. 32.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
46, sir.
Show your notebook only. Another 2
Yeah.
minutes. By 3:50, I will close. Okay, na? Ocean. Hussein, up, little bit up, better. Up your paper, little bit more. Go. But finally, you have not written in the form of the function.
Yeah, okay, sir.
You have
I
to
forgot.
write. Okay. Okay, you can leave the meeting. 46.
Sir, 55 also.
You show me by 55. You have not shown me. Yeah. Little bit close. Paper should be little bit close to the. Now it is clear. Go up. Up. Not down. Up. Up. Little bit more. Okay. Verma, okay, you can leave the meeting. 55.
Thank you, sir.
2 more minutes. 3:48.
Sir, 53 completed.
Show me, bhai. No problem.
Just a minute, sir. Camera I have to change.
Yeah. 1 minute left. 3:49.
Sir, 45.
Show me your paper only. Right? Little bit close. Up. Why? T greater than equals to 5. You have written.
Sir, h of t minus. Case it is there.
Oh, 45. No, 0 case. Okay, 45. You can leave the meeting.
47, sir.
Sir, 53.
53. You can leave the meeting. Next.
47.
Okay. 18 and 47. Wait. Sunil Kumar, your paper actually far away from the actually camera. Okay. Little bit close. Or little bit. Right hand side. Right. Left. 0 less than 0. You write. Okay, that is also correct. Okay. 18. You can leave the meeting. 47. But a little bit close. 47. Yeah. Now it is clear. Left side. Go to the left. Bring little bit left. Yeah. Then now little bit right. Go. Or little bit. Up. Finished. Okay. 47. You can go. You can leave the meeting. So that's all from today. Okay. Already 3:51. But response is very less. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 completed within that time. 10 minutes time. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
28. Sir.
Yeah, just one. Okay. What is your name?
28 rule. Ashwant Kumar, sir.
Okay, just one. 28. But 28 means which one you have actually considered? Second one, no?
One, sir.
One. Second one. T greater than not response. Okay. That's all. Good. Chalo. That's all from
Sir,
today's class. Yeah.
25, sir.
Sorry, Madhusudan.
Sorry.
Show me. Quick.
Sir, 51. Sir.
Show your paper. Okay. So one by one fellow is coming. Arey Madhusudan, left, not like that. Okay. Up and down. Okay. Yes. Now it is correct.
52, sir.
My horizontally, how can I read? Okay, it should be vertical. Yeah, 52, 25. Okay, you both you can leave the meeting now.
Okay. Thank
52, 42. Okay, that's all. We'll meet Friday. Chalo.
भाई मेरा माइक ऑन नहीं होता था भाई, मैं दिमाग खराब हो गया रे भाई। अच्छा